Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install the Visual Studio Code for programming. It's a tool for programming. As you will see, it's nothing difficult. This tool is free, you don't need to pay anything, and it's official product of Microsoft. So first of all you need to visit the related address, internet address, so you can see it in screen. So now I am on the official site, as you can see, and all you need is download the related version. I use Windows 64 version, the 64-bit version, so you need to download the user installer. All we need to do is wait for downloading. After download, we can simply run this file, or execute this file. Agree the license and follow the wizard, please. And now the installing process is running. Finally, we can verify it by launching this Visual Studio Code, and you will see, and you can see that the Visual Studio is correctly installed. It's a Visual Studio version code. Visual Studio Code is not as huge as classical Visual Studio, but it's free and it's very powerful. It has many add-ons and plugins, so it's up to you what to develop there. It's not only related with Microsoft programming tools, programming language, but you can develop in many languages where you want to. That's all. You have seen that it's very simple and it's few steps, and finally after short time you will have the Visual Studio installed if you can follow this video. So Thank you for watching and have a nice day.